We want to write down the inequality represented by the shaded region. The boundary of the region is a dashed line. We can read off that this is the line x is 2. Our region is to the left. We should be able to see that this is the region x is less than 2. Less than because of the dashed line. We now want to write down the inequalities represented by the shaded region in this diagram. Here we have the line x is equal to minus 1.5. Note the line is solid. Here we have the line x is equal to 2. Note the line is dashed. So our region is in between these two lines. X must be greater than minus 1.5 since it's to the right, and it's greater than or equal to since the line is solid. We're to the left of this line, so x is less than 2. Less than because the line is dashed. Note that since we have an enclosed region, we could rewrite this as x is greater than or equal to minus 1.5 and less than 2. Note carefully here the way that the inequality signs point.